Hello, new day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a 28 million house here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Tara!
Hold on.
This house have two carport garage for two big SUV. And mapapansin nyo, elevated ang bahay with a big wooden door.
We're standing still in a rushing world, watching the flags.
Dito sa likod ko, merong swimming pool.
No need to speak.
And nakatapat siya sa car garage niya. And dito na tayo pumasok. As you enter, meron tayong malaking space for our living area. And high ceiling siya, guys. High ceiling. Wala pa yung mga chandelier, pero ikakabit din ko yun. And look how many steps ang ginagawa ko. And here is your dining area. And here ang lahat ng inyong kitchen. And pwede kayo maglagay ng high chair dyan sa breakfast nook nyo. Yan. Tapos, nandito ang kanilang dirty kitchen. Ganda ng dirty kitchen, pati mga cabinet. And meron na rin po kayong pantry here. And may pantry na. Meron din mga groceries. And dito sa labas, still spacious. Nandito po ang maid's room. May sarili na siyang toilet and bath. Pasok tayo ulit sa loob. Dito po pala sa baba, meron pong guest room. Guest room. May sarili na rin pong toilet and bath, built-in cabinet, and aircon. Then right here, meron siyang powder. And this corner here, pwede nyo siyang gawin stock room ng mga gamit. Pwede nilagay yung mga gamit. And meron na rin siyang heater. So, akit na tayo sa taas. So, elegant ng kanilang stairs. Made of glass. Dito sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. So, dito muna tayo. So, here is your master bedroom. And sobrang maluwang with our French window. Ang daming natural light. Meron ng AC and andito ang yung walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Yan.
Beautiful moments.
Right here, meron tayong balcony. Kitang-kita ang swimming pool sa baba. Okay, opposite tayo sa other room. So, meron room dito. Ito pwede siyang parang stock room or office room. Yan. Pwede siyang gym nyo. Yoga gym. Tapos, ito, another room. Ang laki, ang spacious ng mga room. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Anyway, yung toilet and bath nito is connected sa other room. Okay. So here's the other room. Spacious, as you can see. Spacious, mga French window with AC and built-in closet. Ayan yung kanyang toilet and bath.
Just this moment.
Yan.
With you.
Parang Tapos dito, yung lagayan ng mga linen and mga luggage. Ang ganda ng house na to, guys. O, dito tayo. So, if you want to view this house, just call the number above. And see you on the next house tour. Bye!